Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 11/11 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa'yo, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin kung anong energy at messages for you for the month of October 2024. Sagittarius, please. Sagittarius. Sagittarius. For the month of October 2024. Okay. Merong the moon. Okay. Uncertainty about sa future ninyo. Okay. Meron kayong pinag-iisipan or pinagdidesisyonan, pero hindi kayo sigurado kung anong mangyayari in the next few days, or in the next few weeks, or next few months, or even years for some of you. Okay? Merong feeling na hindi kayo secured in your situation. Okay? May mga lies, or may mga hidden information na kailangan i-reveal. For some of you. Okay? Yeah. May mga kailangan pag-usapan. Maybe this is about your love relationship or even in business relationship, no? Or within your family. Okay? Yeah, may mga kailangan klaruhin, pag-usapan, mga truth, no? Yung mga katotohanan na kailangan ilabas sa inyong sitwasyon. Sagittarius, kailangang pag-usapan at kailangang harapin. Okay? Yeah. So that maging klaro, para maging klaro ang inyong path, ang inyong direksyon. Magkakaroon kayo ng clarity. Yes. Sagittarius, energies and messages for Sagittarius, please. Okay. Okay. Merong temporary pause in your situation, pero pero kailangan mo magplano about sa mga next mo nang gagawin. Maybe you're thinking about a job or a new projects, next project para sa inyo. You are focusing about money, no? Yung energy mo is kung paano umunlad, okay? Or paano magkaroon ng isang marangya or maayos sa pamumuhay, okay? Or magkaroon ng sapat na pera, no? For you and for your family, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about a commitment in the relationship. Okay? But merong mga anak or anak involved in the situation. Yeah, for some of you, you don't want to take action. Okay? Yeah. Ayaw mo magdesisyon, ayaw mo mag-take ng action. Okay, for some of you, you don't want to spend money. Okay, you are saving up or you are saving money para sa mga susunod na araw or na linggo or na buwan. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you have a very content family life. There is trustworthiness. Okay? Yeah, nakafocus ka kung paano umunlad or paano mabigyan ng kasiyahan ang family mo. Yeah. Ng magandang kinabukasan for some of you. Okay? May mga kailangan kayong klaruhin with your person regarding children or regarding a child. Okay? For some of you, you need to let go kung meron kayong mga control issues, no? Yeah. Parang kailangan mo na yung panahon ang gumawa ng hayaan mo na yung panahon, yung mag-unfold kung anong dapat na mangyari or kung anong mangyari sa mga susunod na araw. This is what you are doing, Sagittarius. You are letting things unfold naturally, no? Yeah. So, you feel that you are wasting your time, pero gamitin mo yung oras na yan para makapag-isip, no? Makapagplano kung ano yung mabuti or magandang gawin sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? But for now, you seem na parang wala kang magawa. You are letting the universe or the time to do it for you. Okay? Regarding money and family or partnership. Okay? Okay. For some of you, you are dealing with two people or two situation. Okay? Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, merong arguments and fighting na nangyayari, and you are going to make a decision. This is about, again, about family, about money. Okay? There is some truth na kailangan i-reveal. You need clarity in the situation. Okay? Magkakaroon ng clarity sa sitwasyon. Kailangan lang ng isang matiwasay na pag-uusap, no? Yeah. At kailangan balansihin mo ang iyong emosyon, Sagittarius. The Hermit. You are spiritually guided in this situation so that you can decide para sa sarili mo at para sa ikabubuti ng inyong pamilya or ng inyong sarili for some of you. Okay? Yeah. You will be disconnecting or parang lalayo ka muna in a while para makapag-isip-isip, makapag-isa, no? Makapag-isip about sa sitwasyon mo. Okay? You will be disconnecting yourself from your friends, no? Or from people, from your family members. Parang ito yung kailangan mo para makapag-muni-muni ka, makapagsiyasat ng sarili mo at ng inyong sitwasyon, Sagittarius. For some of you, money is the challenge. Parang ito yung problema sa inyong sitwasyon. Sa relationship mo with your person or with your family. Parang ito yung problem or yung hindrance, no? Yeah. May mga communication kang matatanggap. Good news. Okay? Na ikakatuwa mo. Okay, merong gatherings. For some of you, kailangan mo ng fun, no? Kailangan mo mag-celebrate, no? Spend time with your friends for some of you. For some of you, you will be leaving temporarily a situation. Merong travel, okay, or flights na mangyayari. Merong pagkikita-kita or gatherings, no? There will be success and celebration in the situation. Okay? For some of you, this is about work or this is about kung meron kayong business, no? Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be parang kailangan mo lisanin kung ano man yung conflicts or problema or past pains na meron ka. Kailangan mo mag-move forward. Okay? Yeah. Move forward and mag-focus sa inyong trabaho. Kasi may mga kailangan kayong i-achieve, no? Yeah. There is success, no? And significant na achievement para sa inyo, Sagittarius. Okay? You will be getting some truth or clarity in your situation. Okay? Yeah. Most especially pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay, good news about money for you, about financial matters will come. Okay, may mga bago kayong kailangan pagtuunan ng pansin or pag-aralan, yung iba sa inyo. Okay, for some, may mga bagong challenges kayong haharapin. okay, about finances. Okay, maybe this is about a new opportunity na makakatulong sa inyong finances or sa inyong financial status. Okay? A new challenge for you. Okay? Meron kayong pag-aaralan. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo matagal nyo na to inantay, itong opportunity or pagkakataon na to. Okay? Kung ano man tong celebration na mangyayari, okay, matagal nyo na tong inaantay or ina-expect. But it's just that you are letting the time to unfold kung ano yung na mangyari yun. Okay? Parang wala kayong magawa. Okay? Merong stability, no? And security na paparating sa inyo when it comes to finances or when it comes to your business or when it comes sa inyong trabaho. Okay? So, do not dwell on the problems, do not dwell kung ano man itong mga arguments or fighting or disalignment na nangyayari sa inyong relationship or sa inyong work. Okay? Or with your colleagues, kung may problema with the colleagues. So, move on ka lang. Okay? Let it pass. Okay? Because meron kang bagong opportunity na pagkakaabalahan. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay. So, for some of you, merong victory na mangyayari. Okay? May mga decision na kailangan gawin. Pag-desisyonan to avoid disappointments, no? Yeah. Okay? So, kung ano man to, yung mga heartaches or mga painful experience mo, you have to let it go for some of you. May mga desisyon na kailangan gawin from someone na may mataas na ranggo or may mataas na posisyon sa trabaho man to or sa mga ka-deal ninyo. For some of you, kung may mga negosyo kayo, okay? You will be meeting them. For some, merong disappointments na mangyayari. But you need to move forward kung ano man tong disappointments. Yeah. Okay. There is someone that will bring good news, no? Okay. For you. After some disappointment in your situation, Sagittarius. Okay. You will be safe, no? You will be secured financially. Medyo slow lang. Okay. For some of you, you will be meeting someone, a decision maker. May mga kailangang ayusin, okay? Merong mga disappointments or yeah, that will na mag-cause ng delay or mga challenges. But then slowly things will improve. Okay? Yeah. So, may mga important ka at na achievement, Sagittarius, that will make you feel proud of yourself, of your success. Okay? But whatever, ano man itong mga disappointments na to, wag mong hayaan na magbigay na panghinaan ka ng loob. Okay? Just move forward little by little. Merong someone na magsusupport sa inyo. Things will improve. Okay? Kailangan mo lang ng patience and hard work at the same time. May mga kailangan kayong tapusin. And honor your commitment, Sagittarius. Sa trabaho man to, sa mga business dealings mo. Okay? Yeah. Or even in the relationship for some of you. Sagittarius. June. The month of June is something na memorable or significant for you. Okay? Dragon, beware of self-delusion. And Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Okay? Merong someone na arrogante, okay? Or boastful, no? Or mayabang. Merong someone kang makasalamuha na ganito yung attitude or behavior. So, be patient. Okay? Be patient with that person. Sagittarius. Do some research. You need more information about the situation. Look into it further before proceeding. Okay, may mga kailangan kayong alamin, no? Kumuha pa kayo ng mga informasyon, gumawa kayo ng research, no? Para pang back up sa kung ano man ang inyong ginagawa, okay? To protect yourself. Marriage. The fairies join you in celebrating wedded bliss. Okay, for some of you, merong celebration, marriage, no? Okay, for some of you, you will be married. Okay? Spiritual teacher. Your life purpose involves teaching others about healing and spirituality. Yung iba sa inyo, you are spiritually gifted, okay? Meron kayong mga, you are gifted of healing, no? Okay. Sagittarius. Release resentments about money. Yes, the money system of the world can seem as upsetting, but holding resentments about finances just pushes your abundance away. Instead, see money as a tool you can use to better the world, and this shift will help you attract support and golden opportunities. Okay? Okay, so see money, okay? Gawin mong tool yung money for you to be able to move forward and to be successful, okay? To attract support and opportunities. Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Spirit message for Sagittarius. Keep moving forward even if you are unsure of your next step or where it may take you. Trust that you are walking the path you are meant to walk. Remember, we are walking it with you. Trust yourself more, okay? Magtiwala pa sa sarili, Sagittarius. Keep moving forward, okay? Huwag tumigil. Yeah. Okay? Because sooner or later you will be rewarded of your hard work, no? So you will be recognized also. Lahat ng mga kung ano man yung mga ano tawag dito, yung hard work mo will be recognized. Okay? So Sagittarius, these are the messages for you. All the best. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye.